Umiam Lake, located about 15 kilometers north of Shillong in Meghalaya, is a stunning man-made reservoir. It was created in the early 1960s by damming the Umiam River as part of a hydroelectric power project. Spread over an area of approximately 220 square kilometers, the lake is often referred to as a Barapani by locals, which means big water. Surrounded by rolling hills, pine forests and seasonal blooms, Umiam Lake is a haven for nature lovers and tourists. The serene blue waters of the lake offer a perfect setting for relaxation and recreation. It is one of the most popular tourist spots in Meghalaya, attracting visitors for its scenic beauty and peaceful atmosphere. The lake also serves an important function as a water source for the city of Shillong and supports local fisheries. Umiam Lake is not only a tourist attraction but also plays a crucial role in the region's ecosystem and economy.